Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Morning and ride out late tayo today. Ride out natin mga around 6:30 na. We will have a very quick short ride to test our new saddle. Hoping na maganda yung performance niya. For me, sa aking seat bone at least. Anyway, let's go. I am almost halfway of my destination. Siguro mga 20 kilometers lang para lang to test the saddle. And hopefully hindi tayo ulanin. Kasi as you can see, gloomy. And may 50 to 60 chance of rain. Anyway, nag-push through pa rin tayo. Nagbabaka sakali lang. And I am using a fake cycling jersey. Nabili ko sa Shopee for around 200 plus. Pinili kong magsuot ng fake just to test the comfort of the saddle. By the way, for your reference, I am using Selle Italia Comfort Plus. Okay, let's go. Let's go for a coffee ride. Ay, hangak-hangak. I decided to push through the loop kasi marami talagang mabibilis na sasakyan sa highway, kaya I decided to choose the safety route. And also hindi masyadong maganda yung condition dito. Ayan. Para matest na rin natin chance ng saddle. Anyway, we already have 34 minutes riding time and almost 14 kilometers away. So total ay about hours. Anyway, let's proceed na hoping na, kasi as you can see, gloomy pa rin. Anyway, let's go. Foggy. So we are done with our test ride. I rode 30 kilometers plus. And ito yung comment ko sa saddle. By the way, I am using the Selle Italia Model X Comfort Plus Green Tech. Okay, so ito yung comment ko. Ramdam ko yung stiffness ng saddle, but good decision na yung binili ko ay Comfort Plus over the standard version, kasi for me, yung Comfort Plus ay ramdam ko yung stiffness. So how much more yung standard version. And for me, siguro need natin i-break in yung saddle para ma-form yung saddle sa hulma ng seat bone natin, sa lapat ng wet rudder. Okay, so from time to time, napansin ko na every time may mga bumps and mga not so even na road, I need to reposition yung sitting position ko from time to time para makuha ko yung proper or comfortable na sitting position ng seat bone, ng lapat ng seat bone ko. And lastly, may groin rub siya sa right side, pero hindi naman siya gaanong uncomfortable. Konti lang. Maybe factor yung suot ko na budget na cycling shorts na I've been using since 2018 siguro or 2017. So imagine budget short siya and malamang sa malamang ay kumupas na yung foam. So maybe factor siya, and siguro I need to recheck the balance and the level of the saddle kasi winan through trick ko lang kagabi yung alignment and balancing ng saddle. Okay, so I think that's it. Overall, I am happy with the saddle kasi compared to my previous saddle ay may discomfort siya sa groin ko, yes, pero both sides and sa crotch also. So I think that's it. Thank you guys. Ride safe. Bye-bye.